A sudden weather shift batters Hyderabad as heavy rain and hailstorms hit multiple areas. Residents report strong winds and hail in Miapur, Kukatpally, Borabanda and Chandanagar, with intense spells across Jubilee Hills, Banjara Hills and Madhapur. Moderate rain is also recorded in Amirpet, Begumpet, SR Nagar and Sikandrabad. The evening commute takes a hit. With office hours ending, the IT corridor and key roads are waterlogged, triggering massive traffic jams. Vehicles crawl through flooded stretches, leaving commuters stranded across the city. The weather department says thunderstorms are likely over the next 2 to 3 days. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert for several districts in Telangana.